With honors, Talia Amira Blues B. Roberes, and also awarded as Best in Conduct in Grade 3 Purity. With honors, Joshua B. Sales. Sophia with honors.
Ali has recognition now. She got 2 awards, Best in Conduct, and then top awardee. It's April 14 now, and congrats, Talia. You made it.
Ay, baliktad.